Hey, this is how to fix your hood latch on your LS430. It's a 2001. So what was happening was, when you go to close your hood, my hood struts are out. Those are on the way. Anyways, when you go to close your hood, you'll notice that it just won't latch fully down. It'll have that safety latch there, but it won't be fully shut. So what you can do is you can release the latch itself, and you can take some white lithium grease and you're going to spray this, and also you can see the cable inside of there, and you're going to get that in there. This is white lithium W40. Spray this liberally, spray it in there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to work the latch lever inside the car, like back and forth a few times, and then you're going to come back here, take a screwdriver and push down on this lever a few times to kind of work in the grease as well. You may have to treat it a few times, and then once you're done, your hood will close, or it should close.